Motorola introduces new cell phone. No one foresaw it, he's capable. To go around your wrist. This has been presented during Lenovo Tech World and its name is Adaptive. Display concept as it is about a concept phone that won't go. Not yet available for purchase, but simply showcasing the capabilities and imagination that Motorola can possess. 6.9-inch display size. Inches that can be used as a traditional Android phone. However, you can also fold it in one. Curved shape at the bottom for utilization as a format. Stand, leaving a 4.6-inch screen for the user. But the most curious thing about this device is that it can be rolled up on the wrist, and during its presentation they did a live demonstration. This device seems to have several blocks on its back that are capable of folding and maintaining the same folded shape. The device cannot be rolled up, absolutely the whole arm, but yes, I know. Bend enough so you don't... It descends effortlessly. And this is rather intriguing, because since 2016, Lenovo itself introduced this identical concept, albeit with significantly larger bezels and a considerably thicker device. Yet it was essentially the same. So this is essentially a development of what we had previously observed. So let me know your opinions. Personally, I think it's a concept that it looks very futuristic due to the curve generated when bending this device, but it doesn't seem to be so functional. Device, you're not... In order to save like the flip devices we see today, which take up less space when they are folded. So this concept is more of a device with a conventional format, but it has the ability to adopt a new shape. An idea that may sound appealing to some, but I'll eagerly await your opinions. Note that this device is unplanned to launch for sale, but we are going to wait. Surely Motorola will try to listen to the users' reactions to make a decision whether to release it for sale or not. Remember that a few days ago I also showed you the Motorola Razr, which is capable of rolling up its screen to transform into a much more compact format, and through a button it can unroll its screen to transform into a traditional format cell phone. A concept that personally I found very interesting, but that has not been released for sale either.